Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to the brief presentation of our software planning solution for tool and mold making. I am pleased to present to you the essential advantages of our powerful software for the tool and mold making named MoldManager. My name is Ingo Kuhlmann and I am the CEO of the IKOffice business software company. Let's start with the basic information the MoldManager needs for your support. All standard work times and absences of our employees are stored in the shift plan. In addition, the MoldManager knows all legal holidays and of course the weekends. With the help of the skills matrix of our employees and the available machines, we form capacity groups. The available capacities can now be calculated using these master data.